Hi, good morning. Welcome back to my messy bench. So this is a first for me. I ordered a Black Friday sale guitar on Amazon. So we're gonna open it up and share it. I have opened it up, took a quick look at it just to make sure it actually worked. We'll get to what I think about it at the end, but I will probably be returning it, believe it or not. Maybe. I haven't decided yet. I don't know if it's something. Black Friday special for $151. You can't go wrong for 151 bucks. So we're gonna take a look at it real quick, and then I'll give my thoughts and what I may or may not be doing with it at the end of the video. So let's open this sucker up. Now, I don't know how to say the company's name. I've heard it pronounced Grote. I've heard it Grote. I'm not French, so we're gonna call it Grote. All right, this is the Grote semi-hollow P90. Get this stuff out of the way here. There we go. I got it in the matte green. I think it's beautiful. Overall, so initial impressions when I took it out of the box. I don't know how these companies do this. The companies like Firefly and these guys, even Harley Benton. The fit and finish is beautiful. I didn't find any flaws at all. Went through the whole thing. The F-holes are cut really well. The cover's loose. Let me grab a screwdriver here. We'll fix that and we'll address it right here. We'll take care of that together. How's that? The truss rod cover looks like it's got one screw. Yep. Single screw in the top. Nice looking headstock. Tuners seem okay. These are the strings that came on it, so I don't know. They're kind of cheese grater-ish. But it needs to be tuned. So yeah. Going over it really well. Two P90s. They're advertised as P90s. I don't know enough about the internal workings of a P90 to take it apart. If you're looking for a cheap hollow body, entry level, and you want to get a hollow body, or you just want something that's fun to play and inexpensive, hey, I mean, you can't beat it. The inlays, I was pleasantly surprised. There's not a lot of gaps. It's done very, very well. The neck around the edge, it's nice. No snags whatsoever. It's very well done. There is a slightly high fret. I'll address that when I change the strings. Not a big deal. You can't buy a guitar for $200 or sub $200 and expect it to be an amazing, just dream machine right out of the box. It doesn't work that way. But a couple little adjustments, some tweaks. And, yeah, it's not bad, man. Pleasantly surprised. Serial number on the back says since 1989, so apparently they've been around a while. It is a matte finish on the back of the neck as well, which I prefer myself. But pretty decently made. We're going to plug it in, have a little fun with it. All right, here we go. Little buzz. The E string might be a little bit low. All right, bridge. Sorry, neck. Yeah, E string is definitely too low. That's just adjustment stuff. All right, let's play with the pots. So tones all the way up right now on the neck pickup. Sounds like it might be out of tune. Definitely. Ooh. All right. Should probably say it too. I'm just playing clean through the cheap line 6 Spider back here. I don't have anything on. Throw a little reverb on there. All right, we're gonna go to the bridge. Alright, turn that tone down a little bit and see. Kind of your typical cheap pot. It jumps right to bright fairly quick. But they're smooth. They're not grindy or grumbly at all. Alright, so both volumes up, go to the middle. Sounds nice. All right, kill. All right, so the middle is not both. Yeah, that's weird. So something wonky with the middle position. So if you turn one of the volume knobs down, you get neither pickup. Don't know if it's just wired that way. Never had a guitar with P90s in it, so I don't know if that's a weird P90 thing or not, but wouldn't really affect me too much. Me personally, I don't play both pickups together very often. I think a Telecaster is the only one. I like the sound of both, but not bad. It's got decent tones. Pickups sound pretty good and clear. Let's throw a little overdrive on here. Oh, doesn't like the heavy gain very much. A little bit noisy with a heavy gain, but for the price, yeah, I can deal with that. But okay, now for my final opinion. I know that was just a quick run through of it. Just want to let you know what it sounded like. I'm pleasantly surprised with the fit and finish. It's a very nice looking guitar. The neck is nice. It's not too fat. It's got a nice feel. A little bit underwhelmed. I don't know what I was expecting. I think for myself, there is a little slight hum. There's an electrical hum that comes from it. Don't know if that's a P90 thing. I'm going to do a little research before. I may end up sending this one back, get another one. I did buy it through Amazon to see if it's the same and see if the switch is the same. If it is, I can deal with it. It does play nice enough. It needs a proper setup. Once it's properly set up, it's a nice playing guitar. I could see maybe hanging on to it. You know, for those of you who watched a couple of my videos, almost everything up here behind me has GFS pickups in it. I've been buying GFS pickups and electronics and parts since they were on eBay as an eBay store. So early mid 2000s, maybe even before. The Strat back there had some of their very early pickups in it. And I've been pleasantly surprised for years. Everything I've bought from those guys has been good. And so I could see maybe throwing some of their P90s with their quick plug system in here and just letting it go. But all right, welcome back to my messy bench. So second half of the video on the Grote 335 style. I can't remember which one this one's called. It is the P90 semi-hollow that I did a little video on. This is the replacement from Amazon. So the other one had a couple of issues. It did have a hum in the electronics. I believe it was probably a ground wire, maybe a cold solder somewhere, easily addressable. But it had a couple other issues with the nut being kind of high, and I wanted to send it back, get this as a replacement, see how it compared. Beyond the normal 60 cycle hum, it doesn't have that issue. It does have the same weird switching thing going on that the other one had. Pretty much if you are in the center position, you turn down one of the knobs, you lose everything. So I'm not sure if that's just the way they wire it, type of switch they're using. I didn't get into the inside of this at all. Yeah, you have a very limited access if you haven't figured it out on a hollow body. I've never worked on one, or on a semi-hollow. With that, this is an excellent guitar, sub $200. The build quality on it is very nice. It has a couple of small little issues. I think personally it needs electronics updated, but that's kind of par for the course for this price range. The build quality in this is very nice. Hardware is nice. I've been playing with this today. It's been sitting out here most of the week. I've been under the weather all week, and it's been sitting over here tuned. Pick it up today, still in tune. So, despite a lot of these guitars needing new tuners, this one's good. Your binding, beautiful, all the way around the entire guitar. These balled-in frets, genius. I don't know which one of these factories over there came up with it, but keep it up, guys, because that's great. Like I said, this is a beautiful guitar. It's got a nice little sound. It's not really for me. It's not the sound and feel that I'm looking for right now. So with the fact that it does need the nut, that's the same problem with both of them. You're sharp for about 3 frets. Makes it really hard to play regular chords. I know that's a minor thing. It just seems like even at this price range, you should be able to get that right or get close. This one's pretty far out. I could fix it, but I'm not going to keep it. So I have my eye on something else. I'm a little bit more classic with the hollow, so I'm thinking down the road, maybe the other Grote, maybe another company, the dual humbucker, and give that one a shot. So, you know, Grote, if you happen to find me on YouTube and you want to send me one, reach out. I would love to check one of them out. But I can definitely say if you like P90s and you like this style of guitar, it's a great deal. It's a great price. So with that, I want to thank you guys. This is the gear review videos are new for me. I've done several hobby videos. My channel is pretty much about everything that I enjoy and like as far as tinkering and playing and having fun. Music's been a big part of my life as long as I can remember. So I just like to share it. I'm not a guitar teacher. I'm not a, music theory guy. Half the time I couldn't even tell you what I'm playing. I just play by feel. I'm self-taught in repair, self-taught in playing. I just know what I like. I enjoy it. Am I the best out there? No. Am I the worst out there? No. But none of that matters to me. I just do this. I have fun, which is what this should be about. All of my hobbies, whether it's RC cars or building scale models or miniatures, it's you do what you like, you enjoy it. If you like the guitar, if you like the miniature, if you like the game you're playing, who cares what everybody else thinks? Just do it and have fun. So with that, I'm going to try to share as much as I can. This is completely self-funded, and I'm not like a big sponsored YouTube guy. You can look at my followers, and I think all 6 or 7 of you. I do get a decent amount of views. I think I'm hoping to grow this while I have some time. I have kind of the 60 cycle hum afforder board theme going on down here on the floor. I will be sharing that. Some of the pedals I've had for a long time, which don't really qualify as afforder boards, but I've picked up several over the last year that I will be doing some videos on. The Mosky Golden and Silver Horsies, Still Singer by New X, the Sonic Cake Levitate, which is an excellent reverb and delay pedal, as well as the Wine Cellar bass direct interface box that I picked up. Shared that one on 60 Cycle Hum Facebook, and people seem to have some good interest and some good feedback on it. I've had a chance to use it once with a band setting, and it's amazing. You go straight into the PA with it. It's awesome. So those videos will be coming up. I'm hoping to pick up a compressor pedal here soon, or maybe make one. As I grow, hopefully some of these companies will send me stuff to test and I can show you guys, but for now, it's what I can afford to do is what we do. So with that, thank you for watching. Enjoy the videos. Have an awesome day. Have an awesome Christmas. As you can tell, we got the Christmas decorations up, and the replacement for this sometime in the next couple weeks, hopefully. With Christmas and everything else, I don't know how fast the shipping will happen. So when it comes in, there will be definitely an unboxing and then a follow-up in-depth view of it after I've had a chance to play it, put strings on it, and all that kind of good stuff. So thank you. You guys have an awesome day. Enjoy the videos, and I'll see you online.